So we need the minimum length for this runaway ramp. So let's draw the situation. Whenever you're dealing with forces, you always want to draw a free body diagram first. It'll just help you with all of your subsequent calculations. So we have theta here, and we have this car, or rather this truck, with a mass of m. We have force of gravity going straight down, and then perpendicular to the surface, we have force normal. So here we can say that to find the acceleration of this car, we're going to say, of this truck rather, we're going to say that sigma f in the x direction equals negative mg sine of theta. So it'd be the x component of gravity, of the force of gravity, and this is equaling ma. So we can imply that the acceleration is equal to negative g sine of theta, and this is going to equal negative 9.8 sine of theta. Theta in this case is 11 degrees, so this is equaling negative 1.87 meters per second squared. Now you simply need to use kinematics in order to find the needed ramp length. So we have a velocity final squared equals velocity initial squared plus 2 times a delta x. We know that final velocity is going to be 0 because we're trying to bring this truck to a stop. And so delta x is simply going to be equal to negative v initial squared over 2a. This will equal negative, and then we have 140 kilometers per hour times 1,000 meters per kilometer, and then times 1 hour for every 3,600 seconds. And this is going to be squared divided by 2 times negative 1.87, and we're getting a distance of 404.37. The question says, this is the final answer. However, the question says, analyze this. Does it seem kind of long? And yes, this is about the size of 4 football fields, a little bit larger actually. And they're saying if sand was used, this could be cut in half. So that'd be only 200 meters. However, that's still very long. You might want to increase the angle of theta in order to obtain a higher deceleration. However, again, you don't want to make it too rough on the driver that is inside the truck. So the balance between a greater deceleration and a ramp length must be considered. But again, the final answer, 404.37 meters. That's our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.